Let us understand the difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. The first difference being change in capital. In one method, capital will remain unchanged, whereas in another method, it will keep on be fluctuating. In which method capital is going to remain fixed? The capital will remain unchanged. It will remain fixed under fixed capital method. Okay, I'll write in short FX. Whereas the capital each and every year will undergo change, will keep on be fluctuating under fluctuating capital method. I'll write in short as FL. Okay. The second difference is number of accounts. Capital account and current account will be maintained under which method? Fixed capital method. Okay. Whereas only capital account will be maintained under fluctuating capital method. And the third difference is balance. Capital account will always have credit balance, whereas current account will have debit or credit balance. This is possible under fixed capital. Whereas capital account may have debit or credit balance, this might happen under fluctuating capital. Okay. The fourth difference is with regard to adjustment. See, all the adjustments related to the partners are made in current account under which method? Fixed capital method. Whereas under fluctuating capital, all adjustments related to partners are made in the capital account only, like interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit, everything. Okay, fine. So these are all the broader differences between the fixed capital and fluctuating capital.